What's up guys, 2018 Toyota RAV4. We're gonna be changing the cabin filter. There's a part number over here. This is a premium guard. This thing is not cheap, about 25 bucks. You can get a cheaper filter, but I would go with the better one. But anyways, I did the engine filter, and most of these, you should be doing it about 15 to 20,000 miles. Or if you're not driving a lot, do it seasonally. So inside this, you're gonna have a filter, just look just like that. It's gonna have instructions, so you really, this video is going to be your instructional guide here. So let's just take this out. Some of these filters will say up and down. Some will say have an arrow says airflow. So airflow is always from the top to bottom. So let's see if it says anything there. So it says airflow. Okay, you see that airflow? I need the airflow to be down. Okay, even though the arrow is like this, airflow is not up. Okay, if you see leaves stuck over here, the air hits here first and then it flows down once it gets circulated and cleaned out. So it might be a lot of stuff in here. So very easy. We're gonna pull this out, we're gonna push this way, push that way. This is gonna go back in, so both hands, you should be able to do it easier. So what we're gonna do is, this thing can come off just like that. The notches just comes right off, so make sure you get the notches in, then it goes up. So right here it says up here, don't go follow that arrow. That's just for the cover. Okay, you see there's filters, has all kinds of stuff in it. The arrow is just for that cover. Okay, so we're gonna go by the airflow. Airflow is down, we're gonna go by the airflow. Okay, a lot of people will criticize and tell you all kinds of crazy stuff. So the filter, it only needs to be on this edge here, and then you're gonna stick this back in there, and you should hear that click. Okay, it says up, make sure you go by that. Okay, now what we're gonna do is very simple. We're gonna get the glove box in a spot. Once it's in, you're just gonna slip that in, and you're gonna put this back in right there, plunger, and that's it. That's not max right in. So thank you for watching my video. I'll close this guy. Everything should be nice and good. I think my glove box didn't sit properly in the bottom, so I'll redo it again, but make sure it sits good in the bottom here. You see how it's not sitting properly here? So redo it, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video.